This brief tutorial will guide you through the recent database limiter and field codes feature release on the new EBSCOhost user interface. With this recent release, you are now able to view specific field codes for unique databases, as well as seeing special limiters for all databases on your profile. Let's take a closer look at this. To view field codes with all databases or more than one database selected, in the drop-down, you will see some common field codes. However, if we select one specific database in the drop-down, we will now see specific field codes relevant for that one particular database. You may also search within these fields as well. Now that I'm also searching the one database, if we do scroll down, I'm now seeing unique filters and limiters for just this database. To use the limiters, you can use the drop-down and select what you would wish to search for. In this case, I am going to search for a clinical trial. I'll then need to enter in my keywords, and I now have my results. So I'll be looking at clinical trials, referring to CBT. If you have more than one database selected, if you do scroll down in the advanced search screen, you can then review the special limiters for each of your databases and select your relevant special or unique limiter. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Oceania training team at oceaniatraining@ebsco.com.